Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Aditya Raj Midtown located in DL Marg, Dadar West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now let me take you to the actual land parcel and we'll continue with all details. And this over here is the actual land parcel of the project where you can see the construction has already started. And now speaking of project overview, this project will have one tower of ground plus 8 level of parking plus 21 residential floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located next to Vitthal Mandir, Dadar West, from where Dadar metro station is at distance of 2 to 3 minutes, Dadar railway station is at distance of 10 minutes and you have Swami Samat Math at a distance of 2 minutes from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has jogging track, gymnasium, multi-purpose court, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now speaking of configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 474 and 476 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 597 and 604 square feet. And now speaking of booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 2,21,000 for 1 and 2 BHKs. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Aditya Raj Midtown located on DL Marg near Vitthal Mandir, Dadar West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.